Hi, we are Present Play, and you're watching Arambulo Live.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikki, host of Ramble Alive, and today we're catching up with one of P-pop's best as they celebrate an incredible milestone and enter a new musical era. I'm so excited for their return to Ramble Alive. Press hit play!
Hey, hello. Hi, Nikki. Thank you for having us again. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
So let's introduce ourselves. Hi, we are Present Play. Hi, my name is Charles.
I'm JP.
My name is Sev.
Hi guys, I'm Yuki.
I think this is our fourth interview together, and it's different because you're all in different places now.
Yeah.
But I did want to start off with saying happy birthday, JP.
Oh, thank you.
Yay.
Happy birthday. How did you celebrate?
Nagano lang kami.
Somewhere
Somewhere in Alabang and nag-picnic kami.
Somewhere.
Oh, picnic. Cute. How fun.
JP's first ever picnic experience.
That's
May
good.
dream
We ordered.
when I was still kid.
Dream come true. We
Yeah.
made your dream
Yeah.
come true.
Oh, JP, what do you hope this year will be like for you? What's your birthday wish?
Siguro my birthday wish is more more opportunity for us, and of course blessings na one day makapag na talaga kami, makapag album. Yeah.
Yes, that's true. All right. Well, before we start, I want to show this to you guys because I was so happy to get it. It's my Play Light stick. I was so happy. I think I got this in late 2024. So I want to know the story. Sev, cuento mo.
As far as I remember, one of your relatives went home and then
No, it was a pearl. It was okay. So the story is
yeah.
it was a pearl.
I
She
remember now.
messaged me. Yeah.
Yeah. It was Eliza, right? One
Yes,
of our
yes.
girls from the US. Yeah, I remember meeting her and then giving it to her personally, and then we were just so happy because that time it's been quite a while since she's been supporting us, and we finally got the chance to meet her, and it's very special because we were able to give you that light
I
stick
know.
that
I was
I've
so
promised you for so long.
I was so happy. She messaged me tapos sabi niya, "Hey, can I have your address because I want to send something to you." I said, "Who? Like what is that?" So she mailed it to me tapos binuksan ko and it was my light stick. And then it came with all the pictures, like the photo cards and stuff.
Yes.
So cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We need to use
So happy.
Yeah,
I can
pupunta
what?
siya sa concert. Pupunta siya.
Yes, I'll be there. Oh, it was supposed to be a surprise.
Oh,
Oh, sana ako ng
really?
September.
Sayang na-reveal ko.
I was gonna be like a multo and I was gonna show up in the audience. We have so much to talk about today. First of all, congratulations sa release ng Mi Amor. Please tell us
Thank
the story
you.
behind the new track.
Charles?
Actually, this song was made way back pa, parang mga 2020,
4 years ago?
4 years ago, like 2020,
Yeah, after debut.
after debut, no? So,
Yeah.
by nung time kasi na yan, we are really like listening to mga Latin pop music, lalo to si JP. JP influenced us sa mga ganitong kinds of music eh. And then we listen to like CNCO, mga
Daddy Yankee, Jason Derulo.
stuff like that, and then also One United.
Ayan,
Now
United.
Now United. JP come up with this demo one day while we're on training practice, and then
Ayun.
very and it was a very nice song, but it was challenging that time to release that, and it took us like 4 to 5 years
5 years.
before we able to release that song. And I think it's a perfect timing kasi yeah, the genre of the song and the type of the song fits our stage in life now. So
Yes.
yeah, as an responsible adults, the genre suits us, and we're very happy na na-release na natin to finally.
Yeah.
I was gonna say it's definitely a more mature side of Press Hit Play, and the music video was so good. Like it matches the mature sound. Did you guys work on the concept together? Charles, kamusta naman yung noo mo?
Yeah.
I saw the behind the scenes.
Meron pa siyang may footprint.
So, nung ginawa yung concept ng music video, actually that was the idea of our manager, Miss Cheryl and Sir Chester. And they pitched us the story, and it was very funny that time na nagmi-meeting kami about it kasi nai-imagine na namin
Kung ano yung mangyayari.
kung ano yung mangyayari and what JP would do, and we believe naman kasi that JP can really pull off yung acting na ganon. And yeah, nakita naman sa behind the scenes na tawang-tawa kami sa kanya. medyo na-challenge din kami sa shoot, but very happy sa naging output
Yeah,
ng music
worth it
video.
naman yung naging output ng music video mismo.
Worth it yung init.
Yeah, worth it yung init.
What would you say was your favorite scene or moment sa music video?
Sa akin yung nasipa siguro ni Yuki.
The dance break.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Ako siguro yung pinaka-last part. Kasi feeling ko, mas na-feel ko yung parang nandun tayo mismo sa, kumbaga, ang tawag dito, yung term na Spanish.
Oh.
Kumbaga, yung looks natin, kung paano
Yung vibe, no?
Yeah, yung vibe. And also the girl, si Christine. Sobrang napulot din niya yung pagiging
Latina.
Latina. Sobrang Latina.
Me too. Mine would be the last part kasi everyone was just having fun. We did all the takes smoothly, and yeah, it was just such a really fun moment, especially nung ang dami na namin kasama dun sa shot kasi parang we were not just filming but we're really enjoying everything that time.
Siguro sa akin yung being a customer ni JP. Kasi all of us are riding like motorcycle.
Mhm.
And na-experience namin na si JP yung
Ay,
Yes, ganun
Nag-drive
pala
for
feeling
us.
pag si JP yung driver.
May halong kaba.
I think the cutest scene is the very, very last scene yung when JP you were picking up Christine. Yung totoong, like in real life moment where you saw her. Your face was so cute. It was like like super starstruck. Oh, I love it. I love it.
Ngayon na-realize meron palang scene sa last.
Yeah, and I think that was the very last take.
Yes, yes. The closing scene. Well, you guys are preparing for your 5th anniversary concert, Level 5, which is also your first headlining concert. It's such a big moment, such a big milestone. I'm so happy for you guys. When you hear the words 5 years of Press Hit Play, ano agad yung emotions na nararamdaman nyo?
For me, whenever I think of the 5 years mark, parang hindi ko na feel na it's been that long already. A lot has been happening all these years. Tapos parang 5 years na yun. And we honestly believe that a lot could still happen in the future. Kaya parang feeling namin mas tatagal pa kami. And when looking back in all those 5 years, it's been such a really fun memory that we had together.
Sa akin, same din. Kasi parang ang bilis ng time. And 5 years na agad yun. Parang 5 years na yun. Tapos, syempre, we're very happy kasi one of our milestone na gusto namin mangyari before pa nung debut namin is umabot ng 5 years, which is eto na. So, papunta na kami dun sa 5th year anniversary namin. And what's the best way to celebrate that is to have our first major concert sa Music Museum. Slowly but surely, we're filling up the bucket list. And we have another achievement na magagawa this coming September 18 sa aming concert. And we're very excited na talaga. About you, JP?
Siguro ako kasi nakita ko yung from the start na nag-uumpisa. From the start na nag-uumpisa pa lang, di ba? So, nung nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, nakita ko yung improvements ng bawat isa natin as a group. So, ngayong 5 years na, parang mabilis siya, pero kung iisipin mo, nakita mo yung i-compare mo yung sarili mo sa dati. Sobrang layo na. Ngayon sa concert, parang finally, yung dream din natin dati na magkakaroon tayo ng sariling concert is matutupad na. And syempre, mapakita natin sa mga makikinig, manonood na we're here now. Yes.
Same lang nung sa kanila. na yun, parang hindi namin napansin na sobrang tagal na. Parang last year lang kaming nagsama-sama pero
Yeah.
ayun nga, matagal-tagal na rin pala pero masaya lang. Masaya lang na dito pa rin kami, na magkakasama pa rin kami. Though kahit magkakahiwalay kami ngayon, pero magkakasama pa rin kami.
In spirit.
And we
Yeah.
also believe na after this concert will be parang brand new chapter for Present Play. Eh, kasi we have a lot of songs na hindi pa nare-release, and like every month nadadagdagan kami ng bagong song. So we continuously do demos, and pag pinakikinggan namin yung demo, naglalaro na agad yung mga isip namin on ano kaya yung magiging impression syempre ng mga pearls. So we put them first sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin, and then syempre baka ito na yung hit song na hinihintay natin, so yun yung mga tumatakbo sa amin sa isip namin every time. So we're very excited so sa kung ano man yung paparating after our 50th anniversary.
Very exciting, guys. Without spoiling anything, can you each tease one thing na dapat abangan ng mga pearls sa show?
Ako na mauna.
Alam ko sasabihin mo,
Ano?
sasabihin mo, expect the
Go.
unexpected.
Siguro, ang isa lang, drum rolls.
Drum rolls.
Oh.
Yun.
Okay.
Fancy abs ni JP.
Siguro sa akin, tribute.
Uy.
Ooh, okay.
Momentum.
Siguro, siguro sa akin, para sa akin na yun, pero, siguro sa akin, unforgettable.
Oo, yeah. Yan, may idea na sila.
Baguhin ko yung sa akin.
Yes.
Statement.
Looking back on the 5 years, what do you guys think was the biggest challenge na overcome nyo together as a group?
How the industry works. Kasi we all know that the industry works like a mystery. So you don't know when is your time. You don't know what song will hit for you, and also you don't know what song will please the people who will support you. We're still here. We believe in each other, and our management believed in us. As long as we have each other, we still continue.
For me, I think it would be reaching this 5 year mark because this past 5 years it's been really hard, especially in the industry where everything is fast paced. Parang yung not really a competition, but sometimes it gets hard to catch up with what's happening around you, and being able to reach this far is already a huge milestone for us. And naniniwala kami na this is not the end of us. Rather, this will be the new chapter of us, especially after the concert. I believe and I hope everything will change for us because we really worked hard for this, and we're continuously working hard for something even greater that's about to happen and that's about to come.
I think yung pinaka-challenging naman talaga sa atin from the start is kung paano natin bukod sa paano tayo magisimula, kung paano natin ma-maintain yung natin. Kumbaga, pagiging artist natin, like, paano tayo makapag-release ng tuloy-tuloy.
Yeah.
And also, yung opportunity natin sa mga, kung paano natin mag-promote yung songs natin. Yan, yun mostly yung pinaka-challenging
That's
part.
one thing that we hope this year and sa mga susunod na taon. It's like the opportunities will be open for everyone. So the trust and the support of everyone, including those who campaign for this genre, even our colleagues. So kasi supporting each other will be a big step for this to start. So we just hope for that. So we hope for the best. How about you, Yuki?
For me, it's balancing life and work.
Mm,
Kasi alam naman natin na hindi naman na kami bata, and we have to think about our future too. So, hindi naman pa ganun ka uh, nagsaskyrocket yung career namin. And yun nga, yun yung pinaka nahirapan kami kung paano namin ibabalance yung time. Kasi we have rehearsals, we have recordings. So, feeling ko yun yung pinakamalaking challenge. Pero at the same time, nagagawan pa rin namin siya ng paraan kasi gustong-gusto namin kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Ay, thank you.
Yuki's so deep. I love it. This is why I love interviewing you guys kasi yung mga answers nyo is so honest. You know, walang showbiz answer. So I really appreciate that. Every group has a defining moment sa career nila. And I think you guys would answer that level 5 would be that for you because you're talking about a really bright future ahead. But at this moment, what do you guys think was your defining moment that has changed kind of like the trajectory of Press Hit Play?
Being together for 4 years, going to 5 years, for me that's the defining moment. Kasi uh, being one, being as a whole, uh, understanding and having each other's back for all the challenges. Tingin ko yun yung defining moment kasi not everyone who experience what we're experiencing will stick together
Yeah.
for 4 to 5 years. So I think that's it. Mas ano ko yun, mas pipiliin ko yun na defining moment instead of sa mga achievements or mga ano natin na mga napuntahan.
Everyone agrees, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Si Sev, parang may iba yung
Yes. I have another one. I think for me, it would be that moment when we all, four of us, decided to really stay together and move forward as four. Because aware naman na lahat now we didn't start as four, but the fact that we all continued as four and we still continue to dream as four, that's the most defining moment for me because that's how I started to see my future. It's with them and moving forward. It's all I see in the far future that yeah, I'm going to keep doing. So yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad that I was a part of your journey. Like for those
Yes.
watching this interview, na hindi alam that I've been interviewed you guys since 2021, I think, when you first started
Yes.
with Tell Me, right? And yes, you're right, Seb. It was with more members at the time, but I'm
Yeah.
so glad that for the five of us, we've kept that relationship up until today. So I'm so thankful.
Yeah.
you see us grow old, Nikki.
We'll grow old together, guys.
We're the only ones who starts to look
we grow
older
old.
and you look
I
the
know. You guys too. 5 years with Press Hit Play, talaga. If I was introducing you guys to someone who has never listened to your music before, what song should I have them listen to?
For me, if it's like very casual siya and fun siya ng mga upbeat songs, maybe let's start it with Mi Amor Na kasi yun na yung
Kumbaga, sa
Yeah.
bagay.
pero if mga feel good music lang siya, we still go for Lampara.
Kaya na para makaka-relate local or foreigners kasi pag narinig nila yung song.
Intriguing kasi yung Mi Amor kasi it's Latin pop and then Filipino Tagalog yung lyrics.
Mhm.
A mixture of everything. Yuki, same?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Mm.
Why?
It-
Why that
Easy
one?
to listen to. Parang hindi mo na kailangan maging hardcore fan or kailangan mo maging hindi na siya kailangan para kunyari per gym or gano'n. Mapakinggan mo lang siya as pa nag-play siya, oh, this song's good. Ang ganun siya good. So, I think that's for me.
Yeah, same with Charles, Lampera and Mia Moore.
If gusto niya na makakita ng mga blonde color hair forever young.
Oh, that was my favorite too. Ang ganda din ng song na yun.
Thank you.
Aw. What would you guys say is like the hardest choreography? Because I know that you're preparing for your concert now, so you guys, I'm sure you're rehearsing on a daily basis. Now that you're practicing all of your music, what made you realize like, oh God, like this is really hard choreo? How do we do this?
I think Yuki will answer that.
I think it's definitely Win.
When,
Win.
Our debut song.
Yeah, our debut song. Kasi parang
Yeah.
yun yung unang-una na wala kaming idea kung anong gagawin namin. And it's the first choreography na sobrang intense na kailangan namin kumanta habang tumatalon. So I think Win yung panalo dun.
And even until now, when we try to practice when sometimes it gets really hard. Especially when we stopped dancing for quite some time and then we started dancing Win again. It was crazy. It's definitely Win.
We all agree.
Agree. So how are your days like nowadays preparing for the concert? Is your rehearsal every day? Is it a few times a week?
As of now, we practice 3 to 4 times a week because some of the members have work during daytime and me, I work at night, and we try to match our schedules. But as the concert approaches, starting this month, we'll try to practice almost every day.
We adjust the schedule sa availability ng bawat isa. It's kind of challenging kasi nasanay kami na talagang araw-araw yung practice dati nung magkakasama kami. But yun nga, when Yuki and Sev start moving out kasi ayaw na nila kaming kasama sa bahay.
Headline!
We have so many clothes.
Headline!
So, ano,
7
we-
Yuki moved out.
we balance na yung aming time together. But for sure, we'll deliver a very, very good performance sa concert. We promise you that.
Yes.
I love that, Seb. That's going to be the title of the interview. Exclusive interview at Press Play 7. Yuki moved out.
Hidden beef between the members.
Right? All right, let's quickly talk about your viral Tito dancing series that has been all over social media. Paano ba nagsimula yung idea na yan? And did you guys expect for it to become so popular?
No, really. Kasi actually, one time after ng music video shoot namin ng Aking Ka Muna Ngayong Gabi, kasi we
year.
always do some TikToks na para lang we make our social media presence sa TikTok active, no? And then we came up with this content na sumasayaw ng parang ganon. And then, inaya ko si JP. Sabi ko, gawin natin tong dalawa. Ayaw niya pa nga nung una. Ayaw niya nung una. Kasi sabi
Yeah, I was there.
ano yan? Parang trending ba yan? Or parang hindi
Parang
niya
di ko feel, parang
hindi
di
niya
ko
feel.
feel.
Parang gano'n. Di, sige,
And we were
sabi
all
ko.
tired.
And then, tired na din tayo nun kasi that's when it's a wrap na tayo, di ba? We're
Yeah.
eating that time and then after that
Yeah.
we will pack up and go na. So we shoot the Tito dance. And then nag-caption lang ako doon ng nag-caption lang tayo ng mga tito sa alumni homecoming. That's when it started.
Very
And then,
random lang, right?
very randomly nakikita namin nag-pick
Dami.
up siya ng tao. So
Kaming natuwa.
what
Dari-
if siya na yung nag-aya nung pangalawa? So, sabi niya, let's do another TikTok of this and then, boom, yung next post mas madami na. Diba? And then, after that, nag-upload pa kami ng pang third and then, same pa din yung receive ng tao. And then, we decided na we keep doing the Tito contents kasi I think that's one social media content presence na that's parang trademark content for Press It Play outside the music thing that we're doing. So finally meron tayong branding na nakuha sa social media platform outside music.
Yes. And talaga yung nagdadala is the high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts. It's so funny when I first watched it. I couldn't stop laughing. So good.
Mostly yung mga nagre-receive nung contents are the titos and titas outside the country.
Yeah. Yung mga OFWs and all over
Yeah.
the world, yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So, you guys, aside from your very strong foundation of your relationship with the four of you, nandun din yung support and love from your pearls, especially since day one. Ano yung mga messages nyo for your pearls?
We really appreciate them kasi yun nga, for 5 years, sobrang daming nangyari. And then, sobrang challenging din for them to support but they still stay there. Keep believing, keep supporting us, putting efforts sa lahat ng mga bagay. Actually, marami nang nawala and marami rin namang dumating, and then those people who stay. So we are really thankful kasi yun nga, they are day ones, and pag dumating yung time para sa amin, we want to celebrate it with them kasi they deserve the trophy. Kung ano man yung trophy na makukuha namin by that time comes, we will celebrate it with them. So thank you and we love you so much. Sana wag kayong mapagod kasi sa inyo kami kumukuha ng strength to still continue. Thank you.
Next.
Super, super thankful kami sa Pearls since day one. Kung ano man yung na-achieve namin until now, it's all because of them, because of their support, because of how active they are sa social media. Minsan nga nagigilty ako personally because there are times that we are not very active. And even me personally, sometimes nagsa-social media detox ako, and nakikita ko sila super active pa rin nila, and that just really proves na yung love and support nila sa amin is sobrang pure and genuine kasi they're not even asking anything in return. They just really want to show their love and support to us. Kaya lalo kami na-inspired to really work hard and give them the kind of music, the kind of music and everything na deserve nila as our fans para masuklian lahat ng love and support nila sa amin.
Ako kasi na-appreciate ko yung binibigay nilang efforts and time for us kasi syempre bukod sa atin, meron silang sariling buhay.
Yeah.
And of course, hindi na rin sila bata. Kumbaga, alam mo yung effort nila na suportahan tayo, i-promote tayo is malaking bagay na yun para sa akin. So I'm very thankful sa mga pearls na hanggang ngayon ginagawa pa rin nila yung nila. Yung kumbaga support nila para sa atin.
So then sinabi mo hindi na sila bata. May mga graduate na yun.
Yeah.
Some of the pearls that we have 4 years ago graduated na from college, starting working na. And we're very happy kasi when we meet them sa event, they're saying galing ako work.
Yeah, ganun na.
Graduating na ako. Nakapag-raise kami ng mga pearls through our music, and we're very happy for that.
And some are getting married and having a family na,
Yeah.
right?
Diba? Naunahan nila tayo.
Ayun, thank you din sa mga taong nagstay and iniintindi pa rin kung ano yung pinagdadaanan namin. Alam ko nabawasan yung mga, lalo na yung live, kasi diba every week kami nagla-live, every time nagla-live. And nabawasan siya since kailan ba? Nung nag-move out kami ni Sev. Yan, so nabawasan siya, hindi na siya every week. Siguro, depende na lang siya pag may rehearsal kasi limited din yung time. Pero nandun pa rin sila, nakastay pa rin sila, and nakatambay pa rin sila kung may ganap or kung may update. Sorry yung boses ko. I'm sick. Anyway. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for being there for us every step of the way.
You know what I
Thank you.
wish to see back on your channel is your podcast. Super enjoy ko yung podcast when you guys were uploading. So hopefully there's more episodes.
Ay, first nga pala.
We'll put that on the list, Nikki.
Yeah, we'll work on that. A better
Sobrang
one.
dami namin masasabi.
Finally, ano pa yung mga dreams that you want to achieve as Press Hit Play?
Siguro, hindi na mawawala dun, syempre yung album. Because I think reaching this 5 years mark, that's already long overdue. And I think, pwede ko naman masabi na we're already preparing for it. And we're just waiting for the right time to really put it out. Because this time we really wanted to make sure na everything is ready, everything is perfect, nothing's missing. Kaya hopefully when we finally release that album, wala nang kulang. Everything is just really satisfying and yeah, perfect na.
Ako naman. Minsan ko lang ito sabihin eh.
Sige.
Bukod sa, yun nga, songs and, dito, album, gusto kong, i-dream ko is magkaroon tayo ng out of the country na show. Yeah, para, kumbaga, kumbaga bukod sa show is naman tayo, makalanghap ng ibang hangin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Outside the country, also, outside Manila.
Yeah.
Outside Manila is good too. Yeah. Ako naman, dream, siguro, I still dream for that big song that will embark. Wow, embark. Embark the breakthrough chapter for Press It Play. Kasi everything starts with that. If makuha natin yun yung defining moment. Siguro napapalit dun sa unang defining moment to. Yeah, I still believe na with our songs and the songs na unreleased pa, meron doon na will start the that time for presently. And yun yung mag-open ng sa atin, opportunities. Yeah, and bigger venue na concert soon.
Siguro sa akin, my dream is to you guys na kahit tumanda tayo, na alam mo yung may anak na, like may families na gano'n, na hindi pa rin natin makalimutan na magkaroon ng gathering kahit once a month, mga gano'n. Yung huwag tayo maging stranger sa isa't isa. Yun lang sa akin.
Mukhang may bala ka na, ha?
Seryoso.
Pero mauna ka pa ata eh.
Yung nagagawa ng moving out, namimiss tayo.
Parang ang layo ko eh.
So,
So
on that note, parang, well, let me just share this. Parang last year when Yukin and I moved out of the dorm, parang there was this moment na parang na-realize ko personally kasi we all lived together for like more than or 5 years. It's parang it felt a little empty being away from them because we were so used to seeing each other's faces every day to the point na where I'm personally annoyed with all of them with them not doing anything. Tapos parang when I moved out, parang it kind of felt empty kasi parang nawala na yung ganong feeling. When we started meeting up again occasionally that time, parang it felt less lonely. Yeah, something like that. Yun lang.
sometimes distance is good, especially when you work together. Mahirap din if you're constantly together and then you work together. You know, I've seen a lot of like
Yeah.
sibling groups or sibling acts na 24/7 makakasama sila. So space is good, but as long as you guys keep that foundation together, you'll be good.
And I think it really helped us really grow and mature more when we started living apart from each other kasi ang dami namin realizations when we were together and ang dami rin namin realizations when we are apart. So yeah.
Please invite our viewers to go watch Level 5, to stream Me More and any other projects and events you guys have coming up.
Yes, we are inviting everyone to watch us. First ever concert Press Play Level 5 na gaganapin on September 18, 2026 sa the Music Museum in Manila. Yes, for tickets, just check our Facebook page. We will be posting the details very soon. So yeah, sana makabili kayo, and we're hoping to see you guys there.
And also stream our latest single, Mi Amor. It's out now on all streaming platforms. Just search Press It Play, and then also the music video is out on YouTube. So please check it out. And yeah, follow us on all our socials.
And also, may TikTok challenge ang Mi Amor. So, join kayo. And special shoutout pala sa PML crew kasi ginawa nila ng Zumba version yung song namin. So, maraming gumagawa. Ayan.
It's for the titas and titas out there who likes to.
Yeah. And we hope you guys can fill out all the seats sa aming level 5 concert. So once na ma-post na yung mga ticket prices, yeah, we really hope that you guys can come and support us. We'll give you guys a very good performance. We promise you that. Yeah.
Yes.
Nikki will go.
I will go. I need a new battery for my light stick. On a low bat now. Oh, you can't even see it. It's kind of red.
I have a lot of backup batteries.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna be in the front row. You know, promise ko sa'yo, di ba? Like, I think in our first interview, I said I was going to be at your concert, and I'll be there.
We're very excited.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for your time. As always, I love talking to you guys. Congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you so much.